So guys, the trade for EU has been playing around my entry zone from last week to this week. And yeah, I'm making this video. Today is Saturday. After I finish making this video, I'm going to edit and post. So guys, I saw an opportunity for GBP AUD. I was taking out for that trade, down with 9 live, and 2 lives are okay. I saw an opportunity for USDF also. I took the trade. So now I'm down with 7 live. 7 live is like I have 7 live free, while 2 lives are in the market, and I've X'd 1 live on GBP AUD. And what happened for the trade for GBP AUD was I was hoping for the trade to reach my first level target. The market went up. It gave me around 1-to-1, and I didn't close the trade because I didn't lock in any profit, because I wanted the market to reach my first level target so that I can lock in profit and break even. And yeah, I was taken out for the trade. I reanalyzed and I saw, okay, there was something I missed. There was a level I missed, and this level, the market needs to clear it out before it can start going to the direction, or before it can start moving. So guys, for the trade for USD CHF, I saw opportunity for sell. I took the trade, and the market closed. I took the trade yesterday, Friday. The market closed at my entry zone, and I'll be hoping to see what happens next week. I hope it's reached my first level target. And guys, I'll also be updating you about the animation I'm doing for Dapo Willis. When I'm done, I'm gonna tag him, and I hope he finds the video. So, and I'm done with the rough sketch. I'm close to finishing with the line work. After I finish with the line work, I'll color, and I will add the sound effects, and I think and some other things. Then the video will be done. I'll post it on Twitter. I'll also post it here. I think I should be done this coming Saturday. This is Saturday now, so next week Saturday I think I should be done. I hope so. And when I'm done, I'm going to post the video and I'll let you guys know. So guys, bye for now. So guys, this is a trade for EU, and you can see I placed the trade around this region. I set my SL here. The trade came down like as if it was coming down for my first level target, but today it still went back up, and yeah, that's how the game is. I'm on the trade for Willis Capital and consummate trader. So guys, I saw a opportunity for GBP AUD. I went in for a buy, but man, I'm kind of pained at the moment because I went in aggressively. I would have said, you can see the market took me out just with this week here. After taking me out, it starts going my direction, and this is my first level target. I'm actually paid because if I had entered the market and set my SL conservatively, I would have still been in this trade, and it would have gone to my direction. But I've learned my lesson, and yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that again. So guys, these are the two trades I'm on. I went in for Release Capital. I'm down with 8 lives. I have the ninth life. Okay, I've used 2 live. It's remaining 8 live. The 2 live I use, one for EU and one for GBP AUD. So guys, if I see another trading opportunity, I'm gonna be letting you guys know how I go on my Willis Capital journey and consummate trader. So guys, yeah, that'll be all for now. For GBP AUD, you can see I was expecting a buy from this zone to reach my first level target at this point. I was in profit. I was in profit when I entered this trade. Like I think profit of around 1 to 1, but I think close to 1 to 1 year. But I didn't lock in profit or break even because I wanted the market to reach this 100 level percent retracement before I could lock in profit and break even. But as we have it, the market came down like I made in the last video. It took me out somewhere around this point with this week. Went back up and I noticed the market was touring around this zone. So I see, okay, let me zoom out and see what's actually happening. I noticed that there was a zone around this place. Yeah, I know I kept note of the zone, but I thought the market would reach this 100% retracement before it starts to misbehave. But I was taken out, and yeah, I'll be waiting for the market to break this yellow zone. And if it breaks the yellow zone and give me an opportunity to enter, I'll be looking to buy this market. But if it continues to stall around this place and breaks this blue zone, then I'll be looking for a sell. But I'll be careful because there's this zone here that I'll be very worried about. So guys, I saw an opportunity for USD CHF and I entered for a sell. So guys, I actually entered just recently, just now, and I'm making a video. And this is where I set my SL. I was thinking of setting my SL around this place, but I learned from my lessons the last time on GBP AUD. So guys, I'll set my SL at this point. And yeah, I'm expecting the market to come down to my first level target. You can see the profit might be small, but expecting the market to reach this zone, then I'll be locking in half of the profits and I will reduce my SL to somewhere around this place. I wouldn't be breaking even because the market could jump back up and take me out before coming down. But let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys next week. So and this is my overall level target. The reason why you see me place this yellow zone is because I'm worried about this place. The market could come to this place, bounce off here and still go back up. So guys, I'm actually worried about this yellow zone. That's why I'll be locking in profit when it comes down to this place. And if it eventually it breaks down, I know that okay, I'm supposed to set my second level target at this point, but for some reason I'll be taking it out. But I need to be worried about this place. So if the market comes down, I think I'll be looking for an opportunity to add in more positions to come down to this zone. But for now, let's see how it goes. I hope it goes well. My trade for EU, and you can see it has been playing around this zone. It has been playing around. I think I saw it came up, fake out some traders. I think